blessings because of the altitude here. You can see the mountains surrounding this area, but beautiful location, and we look forward to visiting the Rice Terraces later today. So we are on the road heading from Baguio over to the Rice Terraces, and we had lunch here at Lolo Cancio's restaurant. This is right off the road, and it has a great view of the valley down below it on the other side where we had food. What we did was just ordered a selection. We had some chicken, some beef, some pork, rice, and then some ice cream. So if you're heading from Baguio over to the Rice Terraces, this is a place where you might want to stop and have lunch. So we're getting ready to check these out. This is a mango pie. So we know what we're going to be having for dinner, dessert tonight. So these are the strawberry pies. I'm gonna try this, and we have Angelica, she's gonna try it. There's a And these are freshly baked every day.
The Explorer Esquire is sponsored by southwestlegal.com. If you or a family member are facing legal problems in the state of California, give Southwest Legal a call at 760-922-5051. The 800 number is 888-922-5051. Also, you can reach Southwest Legal on the World Wide Web at southwestlegal.com.
So these are the Rice Terraces of Batad. They're just outside of the city. These Rice Terraces range back about 2,000 years.
Yeah, exactly.
So they're about 2,000 years old, and they've been doing this all of these years. And you can see how they have them built here on the side of the mountain. They start out at the beginning in the nursery, and then they transplant them, and eventually they take them all the way up. The crops from start to finish generally last about 6 months from the beginning of planting all the way to the harvest of those. So they can get 2 crops out of these terraces in a year. So amazing that this has been the structure that they've used for the last 2,000 years. These rice terraces are over 2,000 years old, and most recently they were used in the 2018 Avengers movie. These rice terraces are used locally. The rice is not exported to people. These rice terraces are ultimately used for food for the individuals living here in the valley. These are the original rice terraces. So if you look at the old 20 peso bills, you will see the rice terrace. Some of this was destroyed and they're rebuilding it, but it's taking a while to do so. This was actually the one that was used in the Avenger movie from 2018 actually.
Please hit the subscribe, like, and turn on notifications down below. That will help get our content out to more people. Thank you for joining us today on the Explorer Esquire.